They may list this as a $450 watch, but I'll show you how that's a lie. Welcome to the Dad Bod, where we help you to elevate your style with reviews, tutorials, comparisons, and of course, what kind of a channel with the word dad in it would be complete without a little dad humor. Ladies can do all sorts of things with their hair, their makeup, necklace, earrings, bracelets, rings, and don't even get me started on the outfit combinations. That's why ladies take as long to get ready as most guys do to create their character in a video game. Guys, we typically have the same hairstyle every day, so the only thing that really changes is maybe our shirt, pants, shoes, and a watch. We need to do more with less, and a nice watch is a way to show off. Today we're going to be comparing the $100 per month watch subscription plans for Watch Gang and Watch of the Month Club. Now I can only show you what I get and let you know which one I think is the best based on my thoughts, but my hope is that the information helps you to decide which one, if any, is best for you. So let's get these opened. For Watch Gang, we have a Momentum box. It's got a bit of weight to it. By the way, if you're considering Watch Gang and you want 50 free bonus points which you can use towards a free watch with the Wheel of Watches, I'm going to leave a link in the description. This is the Momentum Steelix Eclipse Solar Watch. This watch is really cool. It's the kind of watch that I was hoping to get with the subscription. I wasn't too impressed with the watches from either company last month. This watch has a blue dial under sapphire crystal. It's got an hour, minute, and a second hand, and it has numbers for the 3, 6, 9, and 12 with hour markings for the rest. It's 316 brushed stainless steel, and it's got a crown at the 4 o'clock position to reduce what's known as wrist bite, which is where you move your wrist and the crown pushes into it. The diameter is 44 millimeters with a height of 11 millimeters. It has a Japanese Seiko Epson movement, which is both quartz and solar powered, and it can last up to 6 months in full darkness after a full charge. This watch is 200 meters, water resistant, with a screw down backing. And like I said, it feels nice. It doesn't feel flimsy at all. It's a nice solid watch, the kind of thing that James Bond would absolutely be comfortable using as knuckle dusters as he takes out some bad guys. I tried my hand in street fighting once. I didn't last too long. I broke my hand punching a curb. Okay, now for the Watch of the Month Club watch. Breed. I've got several kids, so I know how to do that. This watch is a hunter green chronograph watch. It's a decent looking watch. It's a shade of green that's actually my favorite color, but it's rather unfortunate that they sent out this watch. You can buy it for $80 on Amazon, $70 through several other online retail shops, and they're charging $100 for it, so that's not cool. At this point, I'm going to cancel the subscription. It's pretty evident that Watch of the Month Club isn't a subscription that I want to stay with or will recommend to anybody. But I will give you a teaser about what I'm going to do to fill the slot in my video schedule. I've decided that doing one unboxing video is okay. You get to see some stuff. Doing two and then comparing them is pretty cool. But this weekend, I'm going to sign up for like a dozen different men's subscription boxes. And I'm going to split them between 2 videos each month. One towards the beginning of the month and one towards the middle. And I'll show what I get in them. Each video should have like 5 or 6 different unboxings. So yeah, that's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, now for the watch. It has luminous hour, minute, and second hands. It only has markers for the hours. It has the date at the 6 o'clock position. It's a hardened alloy case. Higher quality watches usually don't use alloy. It has a Miyota quartz movement, which is pretty decent, and a nice genuine leather watch strap. 5 ATM water resistant, which is good to 50 meters. So that being said, I think we can easily say that my favorite of the 2 watches this month is the Watch Gang watch. I know there's a lot of people that hate Watch Gang out there, but I've spent much of the last year comparing the different watch subscriptions, and from what I can tell, they seem to offer the better watches when compared to the other ones. Need more comparisons to know for sure? Check them out here to see dozens of watches that I've received so far this year, and I'll see you there.